Hi, I don't want you to be left behind in this fierce competition of technological updations due to transition technology. Being database administrators, we should always update on the latest technologies from database perspective. Myself, Mohan Kumar, representing DataSphere, I'll be explaining you about a program called as MongoDB for DBA, where you'll be learning 3 times. Yes, 3 times you learn MongoDB and become master in 2 weeks. Yes, just in 2 weeks you're going to become master of MongoDB. How that is possible? First time you will be involved in GSPT, guided self-paced training, where you'll be learning it session wise whenever you find time, but you'll get guidance also. See, when you're learning the technology session wise, it contains video classes which is recorded in traditional classroom style so that you can learn better. Associated to that, you will have a test mapped to that particular session. Then you will have e-material again mapped to the video class which is you want to watch. Fourth one is you will be involved in doing assignment if it is a session related to practicals. With these 4 aspects, so you get better knowledge so that you can use it for real time. But obviously we need some guidance. Yes, twice a week for 6 months I will be guiding you. Online live mentoring and guiding sessions will be given to you so that you can learn the best way possible. So second one learning is you will be involved in continuous online live training for 2 weeks, which makes you master of MongoDB. Third one is, which is treated as the most important aspect, because we have to do practicals being database administrators. Even with respect to MongoDB, you will be involved in online live practical sessions where I will be supporting you to do practicals so that you become hands-on, master the subject so that you can use it for real time. With these 3 ways of learning, your learning for MongoDB will be complete, will be perfect. You can use it for real time in a perfect way possible. See you soon on our platform with MongoDB for DBA.